Intelligent ignorance is a tribute to the character Oswald Bates from the hit show In Living Color. He was seemingly intelligent with a lot of ignorance. Enjoy the show. Jussie Smollett, who was convicted of lying to cops about being the victim of a homophobic and racist attack in Chicago in 2019, was found guilty of 5 of the 6 felony counts charged against him. Obviously, the jury did not believe his story, and it was revealed that the quote-unquote hate crime was actually orchestrated by Jussie, which also involved 2 other participants in staging the alleged attack. However, Jussie and his lawyers are not doubling down on Jussie's conviction. Now they are tripling down on his conviction, and they want either a new trial or a not guilty verdict. They have filed an 83-page document which outlines their belief that some of his constitutional rights were violated surrounding some things with the jury selection process, other trial errors, and according to NBC News, quote, Jussie's defense team also said the evidence presented by prosecutors during the trial was insufficient and inconsistent, so that no reasonable trier of fact could have found Mr. Smollett guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, and thus there is evidence that the jury verdict was contrary to the manifest weight of the evidence, unquote. In other words, he claims he ain't lying. Yes, folks, once again, Jussie is back at square one concerning his innocence. His dreams of being the next Tupac for justice have been crushed by the lyrical competence of the justice system and the legal bars that flowed from the courtroom with common sense and solid evidence. When you claim Trump-loving political MAGA activists who attacked during a polar vortex in the middle of the night turn out to be associates of yours who are black and Democrats, just kidding about Democrats. The story kind of fell apart there. Now, I will say that I will be the first one to apologize if it is ever proven that you were in fact telling the truth. But at this point in time, I'm pretty sure that won't happen. Fortunately for you folks, I was able to secure some actual footage of Jussie pleading his case for a dismissal of charges or a new trial. Here's the footage.
You must internalize the flatulation of the matter by transmitting the effervescence of the Indonesian proximity in order to further segregate the crux of my venereal infection. Retain my liquids here for one moment, I'd like to continue the redundance of my quote-unquote intestinal tract, see, because to preclude on the issue of world domination would only circumcise the revelation that reflects the aphrodisiac symptoms which now perpetrates the Jericho's activation. Do not misinterpret the chauvinistic...
Give to the United Negro Scholarship Fund, because a mind is a terrible thing to develop without help.
Allow me to expose my colon once again. The ramification inflicted on the incision placed within the fallopian cavities serves to be holistic, taken from the Latin word jalapeno.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Intelligent Ignorance. God bless.